that's a recipe for disaster, because the people who decide to just jump off the people who decide to just aggressively jump at 7 days a week, they never finish. These are the 92% of people who join gyms and training programs, and they're saying, hey, it sounds good to be optimistic. I understand that, but we have to be realistic to our schedules and ourselves. If you don't have the time right now to work out 7 days a week, you need to commit to 2 days a week. And this is what this is going to do for you. You're going to see long-term results, which is long-term consistency. All right. Consistency equals results. Results equals consistency. If you work out 2 days, if you work out 2 days a week, all right, that's 8 times a month. All right. And then you times that by a year, you're just slowly, steady progressing yourselves you're getting better every month. All right. And your goals, the way I describe it to my clients, it's like an elephant. The best way to eat an elephant is piece by piece. Nobody trains for a marathon. Nobody wakes up in 2 days and says, hey, I'm going to run a 30-mile marathon. People run mile by mile, and they slowly increase it on the weekly basis. And next thing you know, over a period of time, with accountability, they're able to ultimately get this goal and this result that they finally want. All right. So what you can do today, what you can do today to develop these habits and these.
Do you believe that's a small cup? Anyway, follow Authentic Instagram, Authentic